Okay, so you've seen how we got to this point. I've labeled these coolant and fuel. I believe fuel was the top one. Yeah, fuel is the top one, so we'll do that one first. You'll see there's a negative cable that hooks in right here, so make sure that's all the way hooked in. The spade connector. I definitely took photos of all of this so I could remember where it all went. But you want to check these light bulbs and make sure all the light bulbs are in good condition. I did buy some. I think this was one of the new ones I bought. You want to look at this little filament in here. Make sure it is good to go. Alright, I believe this filament is good. Because to change these out, they're a pain in the ass. So you want to make sure you got them good. It's easy. You go right into the little tube here. That is all. As far as the spade connectors, let's see here. I'm going to take off my little labeling tape. Okay, and my phone died. I don't remember off the top of my head, but we'll come back. Oh, I take that back, never mind. So one spade connector has hoops and one is a flat. So the flat one is going to go in the slot because that's the only one it will go, and then the loops go right there, and that's how it goes. So same thing, you'll see that one is a flat, it slides into something, and then one goes over something. Checking the light bulb, and the light bulb looks good. So I'm going to rip off the labeling tape. This one will slide into this one. This one will slide into that one. That one will go in there. And that's how that rolls. This will connect into the inside of the dash. This will connect to, this is the oh god, the sensor behind the exhaust. I forget the name of it now, but that's that exhaust sensor. And then this will connect inside the dash. Now let's move over to the other side. Alright, so same thing here. These are labeled. There should be a black, yeah, so there's this black harness here. I tied it up with the battery one, but it goes, there's a negative spade here. So let's do the oil one first. Oh, so it looks like there's multiple black ones. That one has two spades. Okay, so we're gonna look at that one. Oh no, that's the battery. This black one, okay, all right. Let's undo the oil one. And oil's at the top. Yep, oil's at the top. So check the light bulb, and light bulb looks good. This black spade connector goes there. Same thing. The smooth one goes inside, and then this one has two little prongs on it, so it's going to go on this flat one. And then the only thing left to hook up would be the battery. They both look identical, so we'll come back. Let me check my photos. The battery light bulb looks fine, so we'll come back. Give me a sec, I'll check my photos and we'll figure out where that one goes. Okay, so I found my photo. So that light looks good. So the green cable goes on this side, and the black cable goes on this side. So I mean, you see how I have it down, so green on the left, black on the right. And then we sink that light bulb in there. And so now everything is reconnected, and the dash is reassembled. Beautiful. Okay, so I didn't realize the camera stopped filming, but I had got this piece back in. So really, what you do is you put this lock cylinder. You put the lock cylinder in first. Then you put this black piece on, and then you screw this nugget here. I'm just using a pair of old pliers I got here, and I just screw it around. That's really about it. You screw that in. Now I'm screwing this part on. This literally just goes right on top. And I have the screws here. That's it. That's all it is to the glove box. The glove box. That's all it takes. A nice silky black here. This is really great to ensure you get this silky. It almost looks new again. This black vinyl. So we're getting ready to install this back on the dash. If I can find the screws, and we'll go from there. All right. It just goes right here, and then this gets screwed in. One of these holes here, this gets screwed in. I think you can see that. No, you can't see that. So latches go here, this gets screwed in here, and the dash is done. I gotta get a new one of these for the sensor, the oxygen sensor. That's what I couldn't say earlier. There's a little piece that goes here that was completely worn out, so I'll find it online.